Profitable greetings to each of you. Another video with unrealistically profitable trading is already on the channel. I want to show you a few trades where I managed to raise cash. Especially for you, I will share my logic and decision-making algorithms. So I really hope that such content will be informative and useful for you. Well, yes friends, a lot of people watch our videos, but never subscribe to the channel. Our goal is 300,000 subscribers, and we will be very grateful if right now you like this video and subscribe to the channel. This energizes us to keep working. So let's get started. I analyzed the chart and immediately turned it on the record, since now there is a great opportunity to successfully open a deal. So let me open a trade first and then explain it to why I did it. The currency pair is the British pound and USD. Now let me delete my drawings, show you again the logic of my decision. So first of all, I noted the level of the local peak, and then we will trace whether it exists in reality or whether it is an empty indicator. I also mark a local maximum to track current price fluctuations. Of course, I will also mark the low, so that I can also analyze the format level. So what do we get here right now? The first level that I noted has confirmation at the beginning. It became resistance, then became support with confirmation of 2 touches, then 2 more points of resistance, and earlier the same support again. That is, we can conclude with you that here we have a configuration of both buyers and sellers. The chart went up for the support, then there was a spike and we reached another support level, in this case, cross with a trade under the resistance level. Is breaking through and reaching a maximum. Then we start a downtrend. We see this in lowering the lows, and you will think why I decided to go for an increase. Just in this case, I went up and the chart again came to the resistance level, from which it is logical that it will bounce up. We saw confirmation of the range of this indicator earlier when analyzing the chart, so I think you understand my logic. So far, the currency is trading in the range we need, and there are no reasons for attempts to overlap our problems, so we can take a break. And of course, I want to recommend you a super cool tool with which you can get real results. It is our incredible Scalper Bot, a versatile and unique assistant that will be always by your side and will give you more than 100 predictions every day. Why do you need it? The robot independently analyzes the charts, takes into account other indicators and patterns, and gives you its own forecast. Personally, I had examples when the bot's forecast was decisive during the decision to open a deal. So if you want to increase your percentage of winning trades, this tool is a must. These are our products, which we have been working on for more than a year and which we are happy to share with you. So feel free to watch the description of the video and follow the link. Well, after the break, what do we see as the result on the chart itself? A well-conducted technical analysis has paid off, and this is a sure profit from a sweet deal. Well done! The first profit for today is in our pocket. How do you see? If you have knowledge of technical analysis and taking into account various indicators, you can really get a good result from your work. Let's don't stop and work with the Euro and USD currency pair. I opened this currency pair on the broker. I do the same on the platform. On the platform itself, we will change the time frame of the chart to 5-minute candles. Indeed, in order to conduct a competent technical analysis, a minute chart is not always enough. So we are working. The downtrend of the movement immediately clearly caught the eye. Previously, there was an ascent to the maximum. A top was formed and the chart went down. You know, I see a potential head and shoulders pattern here, so it makes sense that it will be followed by a price downtrend. I will even note the approximative level of the neck. Let's purely relying on the 5-minute open a deal for a fall. I think it will be the right decision, from which we can earn money. Immediately after the opening of the transaction, the price dropped, and this is very good. We can see what we have next. Let's switch to a minute time frame and see how I clearly sorted everything out. If you agree with my logic, like this video and write a comment. I will definitely read it. Let's see how hard this drop was. It's still decent in our trading. Yes, currency pairs are not so volatile as cryptocurrencies, but nevertheless, it's also possible to make money on currency trading, and my videos confirm this. In general, after the shoulder we have a decrease, and let's look in the daily time frame. You see on the daily time frame an uptrend, but the price right now is near to the resistance level and is going down, so we can consider our entry very successful. Let's look at the outcome on this deal. I switched to a minute time frame, and you can see for yourself how successfully we entered this trade, from which we earned our money. This is beauty and thrill. Let's make one more deal, and I suggest taking the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen currency pair. This will be our dessert, so to speak. So what do we have here? I don't plan to enter the currency for a long time. Let's try to open a short trade. Here we have a resistance level, which is already broken by the chart on the 5-minute time frame. A downward movement. I think that we can try to go for a breakdown and earn coins from this. I open a short trade and switch to a 30-second time frame. I think the trade could be short, but here we are trying to take profits from the break of the resistance level. This trade is more risky and I may take a loss, but I think it will work. And yes, in the end it was very successful, but there is a profit. Since on the second time frame the price turned out to be lower than our forecast, with which I congratulate you. Here's the work that came out today. How do you like my technical analysis? I am waiting for your feedback. The trading turned out to be excellent for me. 3 profits in a row, and only the last deal ruffled my nerves a little, and then there is nothing, because the first 2 deals were very successful. Anyway, don't forget about our bot, and wait for the next video, which will be released in a day. All profit, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and make crazy profits together with the Scalper bot.